What's good, guys? It's a new week again, and precisely today is Tuesday. Yesterday being Monday, I wasn't able to trade, but if I show you guys my chart here, this is my chart, and you can see yesterday was, man, a big day on gold. Gold was moving down as if heaven was falling down on earth. So gold moved a lot yesterday, but yesterday I didn't take any trades. And today I wasn't supposed to wake up early in the morning and maybe trade in this Asian session, but I just couldn't wake up in the morning because, man, I was feeling tired. And waking up around 3 o'clock when sleep still is sweet, man, it's not just really easy. But anyway, this morning when I woke up around 7, I was supposed to enter this move here, but I didn't enter it because I felt like it would maybe give me a 1:5. So I waited, but then it traded into this fair value gap here in the 15 minutes time frame, and I could have entered, maybe get a good 1:5, but I didn't enter. I just couldn't get the courage to enter into the trade because I wasn't getting many confirmation. But right now I'm in this gold share, and if I show you guys my MT5, this is how the trade is playing out. We're previously on around, I think, $11. But I just entered into the trade because I felt like gold today would be a bearish day, which I don't know. That's just what I'm feeling. So I felt like since it didn't take out this Asian high there, maybe that's a reason to enter into the trade, and maybe to probably trade down and come down to this fair value gap here during the day. This fair value gap. So that's the reason behind me taking the trade, and let's hope it plays out. But anyway, I don't watch my trades again. I just place the trade and I'll leave the chart how it goes. If you stop me out, fine. If you don't stop me out, then fine, we'll get a 1:5 risk to reward like I'm aiming now. So I'm using a 40 pip stop loss and I'm aiming for a 1:5. And let's see how the trade plays out. Right now we're in $12. Well, I won't be watching it again, sure. But I'll keep you guys updated. Right now I need to go and start preparing for work because I'm on afternoon shift, and the time is 10:36, and around 12 o'clock I should be leaving for work. So I have probably less than, should I say an hour to less than, more or less, or 1 hour 30 minutes to prepare for work. So I'll catch you guys later, and bye for now. Bye. Peace. Good morning, guys. Hope you all are doing fine. Today is Wednesday, as you can see literally from my phone. Today is Wednesday, and what a coincidence. It's exactly 8 o'clock where I am, and that's when the London session starts. But anyway, today I won't be trading, and I just quickly want to show you guys the trade I took yesterday before going to work, because the trade took quite a long time. And this is the trade here. So as you guys can see, I took the trade literally in this point here. I don't want the risk to reward bust to cover in the position point, but I took it exactly here with this bullish candle. That's why I took it. And man, the trade took hours. I took it around 10 o'clock before leaving to work. And look at when the trade hit TP. It was around 2:30. Yeah, that's when the trade hit TP. Imagine, almost 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, almost 4 hours later, that's when the trade hit TP. But anyway, the trade took quite a long time, and it almost even stopped me out. But the only luck I had was my stop loss. I guess I placed it slightly below Asian recent high of the day, which was this one here. So gold wasn't just willing to take out Asian high, so later it came down and gave me a good 1:5 risk to reward, because compared to my previous win, which was in last week, I was using 30 pip stop loss and was aiming for a 1:4. But then I guess I said it in the video that I will increase my risk to 1:5. But then I wasn't just so comfortable using a 30 pip stop loss, because it means my entry has to be literally perfect. If not, 30 pips on gold. It's not that it's not good. Like I've been using it for a while and it works for me, but then I've noticed my entry has to be precise, otherwise I easily get stopped out. So I increased the stop loss to 40 pips, and I just aimed for 1:5. Had me I was using a 30 pips stop loss, I guess my risk to reward here will almost be 1:7, 1 to maybe 6.5, let's say. But man, I don't want to like start being too greedy and keep reducing my stop loss. I guess the only thing you shouldn't even move or touch in your trading is your stop loss. Your stop loss has to be fixed. Why? Maybe your take profit, you can maybe adjust it once in a while based on your taste. But I guess 40 pips will be my sweet spot for the stop loss amount. Then for now, I'm aiming for a 1:5. I guess that may change in the future. I may increase it. Decreasing, I don't think so, because I still believe in risk to reward. I believe risk to reward is among the things that will make you either profit and withdraw from this game called Forex or not. I think if you can have a good risk to reward and you are disciplined, what I mean by that is not doing like I used to do, like maybe scalping the market all the time, because scalping can be very, very depressing. So discipline, you have to like maybe discipline yourself to take only one trade, highest 2 trades per day. But I don't recommend 2 trades. I just stick with 1 trade. I'll know if I get stopped out or I win. That's it for the day. I'm not looking at the chart again. Then I'll go about doing other stuff in my life during that day. But you should be disciplined and also be a good risk manager. So in terms of risk management, what I plan on doing on this account is, initially I said as long as I am above the initial balance, which in this instance I'm using a 5K account, so as long as I was above the 5K threshold, I can risk 0.5%. But I guess I've reevaluated that rule now. So what I will be doing is I'll be risking 0.25% until I get to maybe 2% in profit. In this case, since it is a 5,000 account, if I am maybe floating a profit of $5,100, which is that $100 making a 2% profit in the account, then I will now start thinking of risking 0.5% of my account. But as soon as I go below that 2% profit, which is that 100% profit on top that initial balance 5,000, as soon as I go below it with whatever amount, I will size down back to risking 0.25%. And that's not all. Even when I'm risking 0.5%, because I'm above the 2% profit on top of my 5K account, I will be sizing down immediately to 0.25% again, even above that 2% profit threshold. If I take a loss, risking 0.5% of that my account above that 2% threshold. Let me take you guys to my MT5 account so you see. So this was yesterday's trade. I got $50.79. Cents, so bringing the account balance to I think almost a 1% profit right now. So I've taken practically 3 losses, and I don't want to say 3 profit because this €1.48 was a break-even trade after I think it went to 3 in profit already, but I won't count that. So I've taken 2 wins and 3 losses. So even with 3 losses and 2 wins, I'm still in profit of almost 1%. Today I won't be trading, and I just wanted to like update you guys on yesterday's trade. Tomorrow come to the chart and trade, and until tomorrow I'll catch you guys. Stay safe, peace, bye. Guys, what's good? I hope you all are doing fine. So today is Thursday, and I just want to quickly make this video brief. This morning I woke up. I didn't wake up early though, because I was supposed to wake up around I think 3 o'clock where I am here to trade in the Asian session, but I just couldn't. So I'll take you guys to the chart, and as you can see, this morning I took a sell because I felt like go trading into this fair value gap here, and I was seeing some rejecting signs, so I thought maybe it's time to like go for a sell, because this week in gold practically the week have just been on this sell. In fact, if I show you guys the weekly time frame. Let me go the 1 week. You see that the weekly time frame, like ever since some month, it has just been going down, 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 down. So I took a share, and as if I never knew that gold would like to go and take out this high here, especially in the London session, because I took this practically, I think around 7:15. That's when I took this 7:50 or 7:30, more or less. That's when I took this forgetting that sometimes London session is very, very good at whipping stop loss out. But anyway, I took this because I felt like it traded into this fair value gap here, which it did. It shows some sign of resistance, and poof, took me out. So I took a loss here today, and it took out this high here, and presently I think it's showing a sign of rejecting, or maybe it will also be a fake out. I don't know, because gold is really good at faking out, and sometimes you just can't predict what gold will do. But the most important thing is that I kept risk managing this trade. So I was risking 1/4% of my account, which, if I should show you guys the trade on my MT5, let me show you on my MT5, and this is it here. This was the trade I took. Where is the trade? The last trade I took, this was it here. I lost $10.97, practically almost 1/4% of my account. So with that, it brought the account from $42 I was on Tuesday to $31. So I'll definitely not be trading this week again, and more or less I ended the week in profits, and I have almost 1% in my account presently in profits compared to when I was in drawdown. So that's how this week has went for me, and I'll be trading from next week. This week I won't be trading again. And one thing, next week I'll probably be getting another my 4th funded challenge account, and it will definitely be with the 5 hours, because they are the one that I'll be using right from 10, and I'll still stick to them until I get funded and maybe withdraw from then. That's when I might think of branching off to other prop firm as well. But next week I'll be getting a funded challenge account, which it will also be a 5K funded challenge account, because I don't want to like spend too much getting a funded challenge account, especially now that I'm not so confident in my way of trading. Then if I now blow it, I will start like regretting and beating myself up. But I'm pretty much sure that with my new trading style right now, like risking very little, and also taking just one trade per day, and aiming for like a risk to reward of 1:5. Though I've not perfected it, but I believe more or less with time I will also get used or get the hang around making my 1:5 risk to reward work out for me. I think with all those parameters and this new way of trading, even if I don't get funded, but I know blowing an account will be almost impossible with this my new way of trading, because it means I'm trading very, very less. I take just 3 trades, highest 4 trades. My minimum is 2 trades a week. My standard is 3 trades, while my maximum is 4 trades a week. Then I'm done for that week. I believe with all those parameters in place, it'd be very, very hard for me to blow an account, even if they say I don't pass an account or get a payout. But I believe I'm still going to pass an account and get a payout with this new style of trading. So that's going to be it for this week. Next week we'll come again, obviously with a funded challenge account. I won't be trading them again next week. I will show you guys the funded challenge account as well. And let's see how next week will go. For now, bye, and have a happy weekend, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye for now.